Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel again. Nasa part 5 na po tayo at isang video pa matatapos na ang hiking namin. Thank you!
And I could never fail, as much as I could pry my life away from all the things that constantly will undermine. It's time to go, so grab your coat. We'll leave directions there in yellow sticky notes. We got the food, we got the wine. We'll take a ride up here, it'll save us half the time. I'll almost get us there. Oh. I'll almost get us there. Oh. And I don't wanna bear on all the things I tried throughout my life to look away and fortunate to undermine. It's time to go, so grab your coat. I'll leave directions there on these yellow sticky notes. You got the food, I can't deny. We'll take a ride up here, it'll save us half the time. I'll almost get us there. Oh. I'll almost get us there. I shift this car right out of park, only in our minds, only in the dark. It doesn't matter that we've had a few. I am seeing clear, I am seeing you. Seeing you. Seeing you.
I was wondering if you still love me, or if I even care. We were standing out on the back porch, two hearts tangled in another fight, when a flock of geese flew over our heads, heading south on a lonesome flight. How do they know when it's time to fly? How do they know when to spread their wings, take to that southern sky? Is it a change in the weather, or a change of the heart? How do the wild geese know when it's time to part? Time heals everything they say, and I know this much is true. But how much time will it take to heal this heart so black and blue? I know that yes, this too shall pass, and my heart again will fly. But for now, all that I can seem to do is hang my head and cry. How do they know when it's time to fly? How do they know when a change in the weather or a change of the heart? How do the wild geese know when it's time to part? Say the things that don't kill you will make you stronger in the end. And I can feel the change a-coming like a freight train around the bend. As I lie awake in bed tonight, thoughts spinning through my head. I know the things that don't kill you first make you wish that you were dead. How do they know when it's time to fly? How do they know when to spread their wings, take to that southern sky? Is it a change in the weather or a change of the heart? How do the wild geese know when it's time to part? How do the wild geese know when it's time to part?
I ain't got no use for your red rocking chair.
I ain't got no honey baby now. I ain't got no sugar baby now.
It's all I can do, it's all I can say.
Take you to your mama next, baby.